Okay guys, today we're going to talk about things that you need to go buy right now. Okay, so the reason that this is so important is because in 120 days from the 11th of April, so whenever you're watching this video, figure out when that is, these items will be banned and you will not be able to buy them anymore, so go get them. Okay, the first off are 80% lowers. So this is a low receiver, an 80% one that you mill out yourself, and then it's for you, and there you go. And then Uncle Sam doesn't know that you have it, and that's fantastic. So these you can go buy them. They're like 50 to 100 bucks depending on what you're doing, sometimes a little bit more, but yeah, so go get yourself an 80% lower and just have it kicking around your house until you decide to get doing it, until you decide to finish that. So that's one thing. Okay, the other thing that you need to go buy right now is an upper. This is a fully assembled upper. You don't need to go get a fully assembled one, but specifically this part right here. And the reason is because right now the only part of an AR-15 that you have to get serialized and go through an FFL, background checks and all that is the lower. Uppers you don't have to right now. But in 120 days from April 11th, you will have to get your uppers also sent through an FFL. So then an AR-15, a regular old AR-15, is now going to be two firearms. One's the lower, one's the upper. Two serial numbers, two things to transfer to you on a 4473 when you go to your FFL, and it's going to be a pain in the butt. So it's going to make building an AR-15 more expensive, is essentially what it's going to do. And you won't be able to just ship an upper to your front door. So go get one right now. If you're thinking about building an AR in the nearest future, you have 120 days, so 4 months from April 11th to go ahead and do that. And just so you know, this new rule is not a law. It was not voted on by our senators and representatives. It was not created by people that you voted in. It was arbitrarily created by a government entity. So it's kind of interesting to know that now you'll be a felony, and not by a law, by a rule that was made by not the legislative branch of the government. So that's kind of interesting. But anyway, go get those devices, those things, before it's too late, and go vote in your primaries.